Now make we join our people for inside Pidgin News Network commentary box to touchlight as see the shele for countries.
Okay, my people, now welcome to our regular Bonge program. The match won't start now. The stadium don't full, and everybody they expect this match we must win because the matter don't matter us too much, my people. But gonna not forget now, man on the street they here, and I did for Pidgin News commentary box. The match just started on the first 15 minutes. Now so Coro just called Nigeria another 220 goals. We can't ask say why now Coro goals now don't play against Nigeria. Their total goals now don't be 2,388. People who don't discharge for the matter now 385, and people who don't buy now 85. Now because of this, they lock back for Lagos to come arrest 65 people where them break the law of lockdown, where they go party anyhow for night. They party after party after party after party. Now lock pass say and today we now go court, go explain the party. Say on Monday they carry them go court, which be today. So my people will not finish for them as the ball go over. Now you want APC people, they just shout article, say article. Keep your advice to yourself. Which one the advice, Buhari? I better keep your advice. We don't need your advice. Because of this halftime, we don't call. Now we say more bend window, make we look what they happen for outside the world. As we say more touchlight USA before we put microphone for mouth. Now we hear say, hey, Ligwagwa, say, hey, Coro don't kill 65,000 people for America. What is this now? What is this? Now because of this, now in Europe too, they come enter gear 2. For lockdown matter, they say, this one don't be like this. But we enter serious gear 3 and gear 4 for lockdown matter. The match they go, finish for their France too. They don't add tail for their Kia matter for Coro for another 2 months. Hey, now in Spain here the matter, they can't say, and them too, they go match break for the lockdown where they get. But they can't warn people seriously say, man, behave on ourselves. As we say, we try and make some changes. That organ they call Kim Jong-un, where they for South Korea, he don't come out come talk say he no do any heart surgery. When some people they talk say he do cardiovascular when they make surgery, he no do nothing like that. As we they talk now, so we can't hear say gunfire they happen seriously for North Korea and Korea border. Serious gunshot, serious gunfire. Now we say make we dodge bullets, come out there. As we dodge bullets, come back to stadium. Now we can't hear say Syria say they don't say they won't resume training this very Monday. Because of this, that boxer for British way named Great Hudson, come talk say I beg make Joshua and Fury. He said, man, when I do quick abeg for this one a match, I don't too wait, I won't see the match. Now because of this, now that German interior minister come talk say come, it be like say we go resume football quick for inside this month, even though Coro Palava Day. My people, this now Pidgin News commentary box. Now man on the street be this.